Chanel here, your menopause nutritionist. I am very excited to announce that my free protein challenge is back. Now these are so popular and this is the third time I have run it this year. I just want to mention though, the last one I did, there were 600 people that signed up for it. So I know that these are so needed and so many women are actually dialing in now to want to learn about protein, to hit their protein, because they're understanding that it's a game changer on their menopausal journey. And the good news is that we are finding out through lots of sources now all of the information that's necessary. Like when I started doing these 3 years ago, I was like hard pressed. I was like really hard pressed to get people to like get excited about it because protein just wasn't really on everyone's radars. And I'm so grateful that like Dr. Gabrielle Lyon and even Dr. Vonda and some really awesome spokeswomen are championing the cause here, because it is such a game changer. And I'll explain to you why I actually run these, because it was very pivotal in my own personal journey. And I obviously help hundreds of women with their health and wellness, mastering their nutrition and lifestyle. And this is one of the things, like if I talk to all of them and I said, what is one of the biggest things? I can promise you that this would come up. It really does make a huge difference. So I'm excited. The 6th of September, so put that in your diary. The 6th of September is when the next free protein challenge and the last one for this year will kick off. Now, if you are a woman that's 40 plus, then this is for you. Maybe you're already like hitting your protein, but I promise you will learn some extra things by tuning in to this and getting involved. It is so worth it. You will nail your protein over the week. You will learn much more about why it's important. You'll understand what amount is needed for you specifically. And there's just so many other factors around this challenge that's so great. Maybe you've done my free protein challenges before. After you do one, you generally want to do another one. One, they're a lot of fun. There's new recipes every time. I'm even more excited because this one, I have a brand new app. So we are running this free protein challenge out of a completely new platform. So it is going to be all on your phone and completely a new version of coming to you. So you are going to love it. It is going to make life so much easier, everything in one place, on your phone, easy to access, you won't miss anything. It's going to be very exciting. So it's perfect timing for us down here in Australia, New Zealand, like down under, because we're heading into summer here. And what better way to get yourself on track and ready to absolutely finish this year strong by kicking off with this free protein challenge, because it is free. Everyone can join in. Like I said, 600 people last time. That's a lot of people. So why do I do this? So as a nutritionist, I'm a sports nutritionist as well, but a menopause coach, health coach. Generally, it's the nutrition aspect that I really lean into here. When I was studying nutrition myself, I had to do a case study and I chose protein and menopause. And actually on the free protein challenge, you will get to read the paper that I wrote and put together, citing 10 different areas of research backing it up. But the main thing about this particular case study I had to do was it was on myself and it was over a 12-week period. So I did this myself, and when I started the first few weeks I was like, wow, this is hard. Like I just did not realize. And to be fair, I look back at my life, and as an athlete I have eaten well, pretty well. I still did not understand my nutrition. So I definitely wasn't hitting my protein anywhere near it. And this is something that really does have to happen if you want to maintain muscle. You want all the benefits that, like, you'll learn about all the benefits of protein. There's a lot, really a lot, like bone health, brain health, so many things. Can't even start getting into that now. And that's why I think the challenge is so cool, is because when you know better, then you do better. You're much more motivated to make this happen. Generally now everyone is hearing about protein, and so you know what you're meant to do, but if you don't have the motivation to do it, then you're not going to do it. But when you know the knowledge and the information, you are much more motivated to, whether you feel like it or not, make it happen, because you know why it's so important. I think that's really good. So for me personally, about 3 weeks in, I noticed a massive difference, and it was really quite life-changing. And ever since then, I have just been on this protein bandwagon, banging the drum, and you will never not hear me do it, because it really made a massive difference to me personally. And then of course I get to see this every time I have a program launch, when my one-on-one clients come through, everyone I teach. And this is probably the area I see women struggle with a little bit. One, because they don't know. Two, because it can be challenging when you start. So the whole purpose of the challenge is to equip you with really delicious high protein recipes, which I can promise you all my recipes taste amazing, because you should look forward to your food. But also you will then, I can't remember what I was going to say. Oh, I'm so excited to actually be doing this again. It's one of my favorite things to do. It'll come back to me. That's the menopause brain. But yes, so basically, sorry, I know exactly what I was going to say. It's the area I see people struggle with. So when someone comes to me and they haven't been doing this, which is very common, generally we know 50% of women, it might even be higher than that, are eating like 70 grams of protein a day. They're not even hitting the RDA, which is really making a massive difference to how they function. Then it's the challenge that I see people struggle with, because it can be challenging. So the purpose of the challenge, and my promise to you if you tune in and do it, is that we'll teach you how to do that, how to hit your protein. You're going to enjoy the food. In the week, if you dial in, you will notice a difference. There will be results coming your way. And I know that because hundreds and hundreds, I could say thousands of people now, because it's even this year, there'll be thousands of people that have done the challenge this year, because there were 700 in January, 600 in June. So there's thousands of people that will go through and do it, that you will get results. So my promise to you is, if you commit for 7 days, by the end of that time, you will have results. Now, why do I call it a challenge? Because I actually want you to be on the hook. Like, I think there's so many things going along in life. If you are like me, you feel like this year is going nowhere. Like, what even happened? Like, I can't believe we're heading into the last section of the year. Like, where is this year going? So honestly, it's basically the chance to focus, dial in, and get results. Now, the reason I call it a challenge is because I want you to commit. And if you commit, I promise you, you'll get results. But if you don't commit, I can't promise you that. So I'm saying 7 days. That's all it takes. Just to focus, just to make this a priority. And then at the end of that, you will honestly have results. You will notice a difference in your cravings. You will notice a difference in your energy. You will notice a difference in possibly your body composition. Now, it's only 7 days, but it is incredible how many people lose weight in that period of time. You will notice a difference possibly in your focus, possibly in your sleep. Like, there are so many factors that can contribute to you feeling different by doing this. So that is my promise to you. And the reason I call it a challenge is because I want you to commit. as a coach, I can only help you if you show up. And so that is why it is called a challenge. But really and truly, it's really fun. So what does it look like? It goes for 7 days. The first couple of days are us getting ready, doing our shopping, doing our meal prep. Obviously, I will be tuning in with you on the app every day. So you'll get a video or there'll be a live that you will connect to every day where I'll be coaching you through and giving you tips and tricks. You will get a meal plan. You will get recipes that taste amazing. You will get a shopping list. You will get cheat sheets. You'll get a tracker. You will get, I feel like there's one more thing. Oh, did I say cheat sheets? Yes. You actually get, I did put together for the last challenge, a whole little guide. So you'll get this whole guide that you can print out. It's really comprehensive. You can keep it forever and it's really good. I was quite proud of myself putting it together last time and I got great feedback from it. So you really will have like a great platform to set yourself up for success. There will be prizes every day that allow you to stay motivated and like connected. There is an amazing little community that pops up. And so you will get so inspired and motivated sharing this with all the other women who jump in here and enjoy the journey with you. And I think you're going to really love the app. It's going to be really a fun way to stay connected and easy because it's on your phone. You can actually use it on your computer too, but generally everyone's got a phone. And so it is super fun. I'm about to show my program at this tonight, so they're going to get first look into it. It's going to be great. Okay, well that is my news for you. So this week I will be opening the doors to the app so you can join and get signed up and get yourself organized. I'm just putting the final touches on it because this is all new platform. So stay tuned, and if you are on my email list, then you will get everything updated to you on there as well. So stay connected to my social media and I will make sure you know as soon as that's live so you can get in, get signed up, get into the app, start having a look around, and we can make this an awesome protein challenge where you come out feeling a better version of yourself, getting results that will kickstart you into the next period of this year because we're heading towards Christmas again. So I cannot wait. It is going to be the perfect time to get ourselves on track as we head towards summer. Thank you so much for being here. If you have any questions at all, just drop them here in the comments and I can answer those for you. Once we get this live, just remember that it's free. So please invite all your friends. The more the merrier. That would be amazing. And I can't wait to get to know you and meet you if I don't already know you, because we will get to interact and connect in the app. It's going to be great. And thank you for being here. I truly appreciate it. I'm super excited. I can't wait.